How to fix this post is unavailable on Instagram. Hello everyone, my name is Smile and in this video I'm going to show you how you can solve this very problem of yours. First of all, go to your Instagram, make sure you have installed and updated the latest version. After that, log into your account. Now someday someone might send you a reel or post of someone, but it shows that this post is not available. This happens because you have not fully given the control of that certain message. Now how you can give the control, I will show you. Tap on your profile on the down right side. On the top right side, you'll see three vertical lines. Tap there. Scroll a little bit down and then you will see the very option of messages and story replies under how others can contact you. When you tap there and scroll to the very message control option, you will see there is a auto access to message option. Now what you should do is you should enable the cursor to the right side. When you enable the cursor to the right side, you can allow all the messages and all the messages now have the access, and that post won't be stored in our unavailable in your message as well. Only if it is deleted it will be shown unavailable. If not, then it will not be shown like that. So this is how you can simply do it. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, then please do hit the thumbs up and subscribe button, and also comment in the comment section below. Thank you for watching.